Okay, let's take a look at the next highlighted feature here. This one is also related to inventory / purchase ordering. And let's see, to explain the feature, I can just kind of go over the scenario where it may be used. The feature itself is the ability for incoming orders to be fulfilled by inventory or stock that is on order. So what that would look like is, let's say you have a Gildan 2000 and maybe you like to keep both white shirts and black shirts in the Gildan 2000 in stock, but maybe you ran out of mediums, right? And let's just say, for the sake of this example, that you're out of mediums in white, but because of you're out, you placed a live order through the business hub for 50 pieces of small, I'm sorry, I think I said medium white Gildan 2000s. So the system knows that you have those 50 on order, and they're coming soon. But let's say that same day you receive an order for 15 white medium Gildan 2000s. There was that kind of gap there where the system knew you had 50 coming in, but because you don't have them yet, the system couldn't pull from that inventory, that on order inventory. It could only pull from inventory that's already there, right, that you've marked as received into the warehouse. So this new feature allows the system to be aware of those quantities on order. And so that order that came in today for the 15 pieces could pull in from those 50 that I don't quite yet have at the warehouse, but I know they're coming soon. And it's worth mentioning, I think it's come up a few times since the release, that users they know they have those, let's say, again, we'll use the same example. They know that they have those 50 on order, and by the time they receive the PO, let's say only 45 end up going to the on-hand inventory. And we have had a few questions like that where our users aren't sure where those last 5 went, and it's likely because of this feature. So if you have this feature enabled, those 5 may have gone to an order that you received from a customer. And so they may have been allocated to the order instead of being allocated to be an on-hand inventory. So it's definitely something to double check, see what you have that option set to, and make a determination whether you want to have the system continue working the way it used to, or if you want to enable this feature and have the system pull from on order quantities for incoming customer orders.